Good morning, children. We are seeing now political parties. Already we started the major national parties in India. We know there were 7 recognized national parties in the country in 2018. So already we discussed about the first 3 party, All India Trinamool Congress, Bahujan Samaj Party and Bharatiya Janata Party. Now fourthly we are going to discuss about CPI, that means Communist Party of India. It is formed in 1925 and it believes in Marxist-Leninism, secularism and democracy. It opposed to the force of sectionism and communalization. What is sectionism? Sectionism is nothing but that advocating the cession in the constitutions, that is called as a sectionism. And the Marxist-Leninism is nothing but transformation of capital state to that one state is a single party state. It's called that Marxist-Leninism, and it accepts parliamentary democracy as a means of promoting the interests of working class, farmers and the poor. So they are giving more importance to that the 3 classes. One is working class, farmers and the poor people. So these are the 3 types of people they want to promoting, and the significant presence in the states of Kerala, West Bengal, Punjab, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. So these are the important states they representing the party, and it secured less than 1% vote and 1 seat in the 2014 Lok Sabha elections. So these are the detail about CPI. And the next one is that Communist Party of India Marxist, that means CPIM. It was founded in 1964 and it believes in Marxist-Leninism. So it's also have the same what's the beliefs, and it supports social secularism and democracy and opposes imperialism and communalizations. It accepts democratic elections as usual and helpful means for securing the objects of socio-economic justice in India. Enjoys support in West Bengal, Kerala and Tripura. The party was improved in power in West Bengal without a break for 34 years. So we know that West Bengal is the best place they can survey. And in the 2014 Lok Sabha elections, it won about 3% of vote and 9 seats. So this is the details about Communist Party of India Marxist. And the 6th party is Indian National Congress, INC. We know that Congress party is popularly known as that in our country. It is one of the oldest parties of the world. It was founded in 1885 and has experienced many splits. That means there was a many separation in the parties, and it was under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru. The party sought to build a modern secular democratic republic in India. So this is that oath of the party. The ruling party at the center till 1977 and then from 1980 to 1989. After 1989, its support declined, but it continues to be present throughout the country. The party's main idea of the party is to promote secularism and welfare of weaker sections and minorities. So their main motive is to give some separations from capitalist and that poor people, the weakest sections, we call as minorities. So this is the main aim of this party. The last party, Nationalist Congress Party. NCP. So this is one of the part of National Congress. So it was formed in 1999 following a split in the Congress party. It supports democracy as well as Gandhian secularism, equality, social justice and federalism. A major party in Maharashtra and has a significant presence in Meghalaya, Manipur and Assam. A coalition partner, that means a temporary partner in the state of Maharashtra in alliance with the Congress party. Since 2014, a member of United Progressive Alliance. So this is the detail about Nationalist Congress Party, NCP. So children, so these are the 7 major recognized national party in our country. Now you can understand who founded that party and how they build and what was the main ideology of the parties.